Why do 90% of aviation enthusiasts dream of flying the Apache? This beast isn't just any helicopter. With its advanced avionics and powerful twin engines, the Apache is built for dominance. Imagine slicing through the skies at over 200 miles per hour. Its Hellfire missiles and 30mm chain gun mean it's always ready for action, but it's not all about firepower. The Apache's night vision systems turn darkness into day, giving pilots unmatched visibility. And let's not forget its armor, designed to withstand fierce attacks while keeping the crew safe. From search and rescue to formidable combat missions, the Apache does it all. So, next time you see this chopper in action, remember, the sky's not the limit. It's just the beginning. Ready to take flight?